So this is my 1996 Mazda MX-5 Miata M Edition. It's gonna be my new project car, and I've already got a few plans for it. First of all, the interior is gonna need a fair bit of work. It's really dusty. Paint could be better, could be worse. The soft top is ripped, but I've already ordered a new soft top, so that's good. The wheels are fine. It's got Megan Racing coilovers, so that's cool. The trunk is going to need some work. The latch has to be loose in order for it to engage. It's like, I don't know, it's too far back, so it doesn't want to actually hit the locking mechanism. The bumper has got a bit of a gash on it right there. That taillight doesn't work. This front bumper, it's got a little bit of a dent right there. I don't know. I don't think it's in that bad of a shape. And then under the hood, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. And I'm pretty stoked to have something fun to work on. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I think I might do sleepy eyes, because I don't know, I like them. Definitely want to do a hard top eventually. And then I want to focus most of my efforts on the inside. So if anyone out there has any good recommendations, let me know.